Hello everyone, welcome to the Great Garden channel. In our gardens, we all want our orchids to stay healthy, lush, and bloom abundantly while maintaining their beauty for a long time. In today's video, I will share with you a very effective organic method. With just a few simple steps and familiar ingredients from your kitchen, you can help your orchids develop strong roots, thick and glossy green leaves, and most importantly, stimulate vigorous flower spikes, abundant buds, evenly blooming flowers that last longer, and stable vitality, so the plants can bloom regularly throughout the year. This is a secret I have applied for many years and have seen clear results on many different orchid varieties. Stay with me until the end of the video to learn each step of flower spike care and help your orchids burst into vibrant, beautiful blooms. Let's get started. When orchids have been planted for a long time or are newly purchased, the first thing you need to do is carefully check the plant's root system. During inspection, you may find dried, rotting, or discolored roots that often carry bacteria and fungi. Therefore, we need to completely remove the dry and rotting roots. This helps the plant focus nutrients on healthy roots and prevents diseases from spreading. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Remember to carefully check each root. Even a few damaged roots left behind can greatly affect the overall health of the orchid. Next, use cinnamon powder. It has natural antibacterial properties and is very beneficial for orchid growth. Now, after removing the damaged roots and unwanted flower stems, apply cinnamon powder to the cuts to protect the plant. Cinnamon is a common natural ingredient with excellent antifungal and insect-repelling properties for orchids. Just lightly dust all the cuts with it. Apply the cinnamon directly to help the cuts dry and heal well, minimizing the risk of root rot. After applying, do not water the plant immediately. Instead, place it in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from rain and direct sunlight, for about 3 days. This allows the cuts to dry completely and the roots to stabilize before continuing with planting and care. After 3 days, once the cuts on the orchid have dried and stabilized, we can start providing light nutrition to help the plant recover. At this stage, I use rice, a common ingredient rich in B vitamins and natural minerals that support orchid growth, especially when the plant is weak or has just undergone root treatment. Just take about 3 tablespoons of rice and add it to 500 milliliters of clean water. Then let it sit for about 3 hours. During this time, the nutrients in the rice will slowly dissolve into the water, creating a mild, easily absorbable solution. After 3 hours, strain out the rice. The soaked rice water provides gentle nutrition, stimulates new root growth, and helps the plant recover quickly without shocking or damaging the roots. Finally, dilute the solution with 1 liter of clean water. Method 1. Wipe the orchid leaves. First, pour a small amount of the soaked rice water into a cup. You don't need much, just enough to moisten a cotton pad or soft cloth. Then, use a soft cotton pad or clean cloth. Dip it lightly in the solution and gently wipe each leaf, covering both the top and bottom surfaces. Move slowly and carefully to avoid scratching the leaves. Wiping the leaves with rice water removes dust, helps them absorb light better, and improves the plant's photosynthesis. At the same time, a small amount of B vitamins and minerals in the rice water can be gently absorbed through the leaf surface, making the leaves greener, healthier, and more resilient. You can apply this leaf wiping method about twice a month. Regular care like this keeps the orchid clean and healthy, providing ideal conditions for root recovery and new growth. Method 2. Mist spraying for orchids. First, pour the prepared rice water solution into a spray bottle, preferably one that produces a fine mist so the solution can spread evenly over the plant. Then spray evenly over the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, and any exposed roots. Be sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, as these areas absorb nutrients well and tend to collect dust. Misting with rice water provides gentle moisture along with B vitamins and natural minerals, helping the orchid recover faster, especially for plants that have just had root treatment or are weakened. You should mist in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong sunlight to prevent heat shock to the leaves. Apply only a light mist. There's no need to soak the plant. Maintain this care routine once or twice a month, along with leaf wiping and other care steps, and your orchid will grow more steadily and become healthier over time. Do you have discarded eggshells like these at home? After each meal, we often throw them away without realizing that they are actually a very useful ingredient for plants. After eating, rinse the eggshells thoroughly to remove any remaining egg residue. Then let the eggshells dry in a well-ventilated area or under mild sunlight. Once they are completely clean and dry, you can use them right away to help orchids recover and grow very well. Here, I use the shell of one dried egg. Although very simple, eggshells are a valuable natural nutrient source, especially rich in calcium, helping orchids become sturdier, develop stronger roots, and grow more steadily. Then place the dried eggshell into the growing medium. Another often overlooked benefit is that the shell's natural sharp edges can effectively deter snails and crawling insects that commonly damage plants, providing completely natural protection for orchids. Over time, the eggshells slowly break down and release nutrients into the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb them easily without shock or harm to the roots. After sprinkling the eggshells into the pot, the next step is to water around the base of the plant with the rice water solution. Water gently and slowly so the solution can soak evenly into the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients smoothly. The rice water helps activate the slow breakdown of the eggshells, releasing calcium and natural minerals into the medium. As a result, the orchid's root system is better nourished, healthier, and grows more steadily over time. I soak the orchid in the rice water solution for about 20 minutes, allowing enough time for the roots to absorb nutrients. When watering, keep the medium just moist and avoid overwatering. The combination of eggshells and rice water creates a simple yet highly effective organic care method, especially suitable for orchids that are recovering or growing slowly. Maintain this care routine regularly, and you will see the orchid become healthier from within, with stronger root growth and readiness for the next growth stages. After 20 minutes, remove the orchids and place them in a cool, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. This helps the plants stay healthy and grow better. Results. After a period of care, you will notice clear improvements in your orchids. The roots become thicker and stronger, with new root tips emerging in a healthy green color and firmly attaching to the growing medium. Weak or slow-growing orchids gradually recover as their nutrient absorption improves significantly. Once the plant gains enough strength, flower spike formation becomes smoother, and the blooms open more evenly, last longer, and show brighter colors. Although simple, the method of using eggshells combined with rice water delivers long-term results, helping orchids grow sustainably, stay healthy from roots to leaves, and be ready for future blooms. What do you think about this orchid care method? On my channel, there are many more simple and easy orchid care techniques using completely natural ingredients. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with fellow orchid lovers, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss our latest orchid care videos.